Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, we're going to learn how to use the move tool, and we're also going to learn how to create multiple copies or arrays using the move tool. So to activate the move tool, you can click on the move icon in your drawing toolbar, or you can press M on your keyboard to activate the move tool. So as soon as you activate the move tool, you can click on the group you want to move. Make sure you click on a group and not any face or edge. You can move a face and edge, which I will show to you shortly. So to move a group, you simply need to click, and then you can either move it in the red axis, green axis, or even in the blue axis. So I'm just going to move it this way. So go ahead and try using the move tool to move stuff around. Now if you want to move it locked to the red axis, you can click once to move this, and then you can snap it to the red axis by pressing the right arrow key, and now it snaps to that axis. So even if I tried hovering over this side, it always snaps to the red axis. You can also move it by a particular distance. So as you can see in the bottom right corner, the distance changes. So now I'm going to type in 25 feet and press enter. So it's moved by 25 feet. Now if you want to make a copy in SketchUp, you can select the group, press M on your keyboard to activate the move tool, and now you can press the control key once. Make sure to not press and hold, simply press and release, and it adds that plus icon to your move icon. And now you can click once, move it along the green axis. You can lock it to the green axis as well and place it at around 25 feet. So that makes a copy. I'm going to show it to you again. Select the group, press M on your keyboard to activate the move tool, and then press Ctrl on your keyboard. So now you can click and make a copy. Now if you want to make multiple copies in SketchUp or multiply by 10 times, all you need to do is press M to activate the move tool. Again press Ctrl. Make sure to press and release and not press and hold. And then click once. Click on the second point to place it, and then type in your value. So I'm going to type in X and then press 10 and then press enter. So that's copied it by 10 times. Now let's say you want to copy it only 5 times. Now without pressing anywhere, not even the escape tool or anything, in mid action I'm going to press X, 5 and enter. So you can always switch if you're given the wrong value. So that's to copy 10 times. Now let's say you want to copy it to a certain distance and divide that distance equally by 5 or 10 times. So I'm going to select this group, press M, then press Ctrl. I'm going to place it here. And now if I type in divide by say 6 and then press enter, it divides the distance from this edge to this edge by 6 and equally spaces out your group. So that was a quick tip into using the groups. Now you can see that when I'm orbiting, it sort of clips this plane, and I'm sure a lot of students are going to face this problem. So the best way to resolve this is by simply going to camera and switching to perspective mode. So if you switch to perspective mode, you're going to avoid that clipping problem in SketchUp. Finally, if you want to edit a group and move only this part of the face, you can enter the group and you need to select only this part of the group. So I've selected only that edge, 4 edges and the face. Now I'm going to select the move tool, click once, and I'm going to drag it by say 2 feet. And I've increased that distance by 2 feet. So that is a quick tutorial into the move tool and how you can copy and make arrays or multiple copies in SketchUp. We will be using it a lot in the course and in the main course. Try it out, get used to it, and it will definitely help you in your workflow. Now in the next video, we're going to learn how to use some particular shortcuts which I personally use in my own workflow that would definitely help you out. So I'll see you guys next video. Cheers.